Welcome to a lesson on quadratic number patterns. It has a second difference, and the second difference is constant, which means all the second differences are equal to each other. The formula for quadratic pattern is Tn equals to an squared plus bn plus c. This is grade 11 revision, but grade 12 learners will be doing a question or two of this in the exams. So consider the following number pattern: 3, 13, 31, 57, and 91. Let's try to write it out and then get the first difference and then the second difference. 13 minus 3, 31 minus 13, 57 minus 31, and let's write the answers. 13 minus 3 is 10. 31 minus 13 is 18. 57 minus 31 equals to 26. 91 minus 57 equals to 34. Right. 18 minus 10 gives me 8. 26 minus 18 should give me 8. And 34 minus 26 gives me 8. So our second difference is 8. So let's try and determine the formula. There's different parts. 2a equals to 8. 3a plus b equals to the first difference. And a plus b plus c equals to 3. Now you work your way from the bottom up. You first determine a, then b, then c. So let's do that quickly. 2a equals to 8. We solve for a, we divide by 2 both sides. A is therefore equal to 4. And then now we can determine b. So now we write 3a plus b equals to 10. Then we substitute a. So 3 times 4 plus b equals to 10. That's b equals to minus 2. 10 minus 12, that's therefore it's minus 2. Then we determine c. A plus b plus c equals to 3. We substitute all of the values. A is 4, b is negative 2. We put that in brackets so we can substitute as is, your choice. Therefore c is equal to 1. There we go. And so now we have all the values of the variables. So therefore Tn equals to 4n squared minus 2n plus 1. And there's our general term for this pattern. Let's go on to the next one. Tn equals to 4n squared minus 2n plus 1. So now we substitute 10 in the place of n. So it will be T10 equals to 4. Substitute 10 in the place of n. Then we put the whole section on the right in the calculators. Therefore T10 is equal to 381. Let's go on to the next one. Which term is equal to 241? We write down the general formula here. 4n squared minus 2n plus 1. Which term is equal to 241? So our question here would be n, because it's asking which term. So that's our variable that we're going to determine. So then we substitute 241 in the place of Tn. And then we simplify. So we're going to transpose the 241 over. Then that gives us 4n squared minus 2n minus 240. And so now we can use the quadratic formula, because this is a quadratic equation here. So this formula is written. So we want to determine n. So n is equal to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And now we substitute the values. It's important that the substitution is done correctly. Plus minus square root minus 2 to the power of 2 minus 4. A is 4. And now C is negative 240. Close the bracket. Over 2a, which is 4 in this case. So now let's write down our values of n. N is equal to 8, or n is equal to negative 7,5. And so now you as a mathematician need to decide which one is correct, and therefore T8 equals 241. We choose the positive value in this case.